Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can scale multiple clips at once in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open different video clips in Premiere Pro. So here you can see with different video clips. So now I'm going to scale all these together. So the first step you simply need to select that and you need to come on to the effects control panel. If you are unable to find effects control, you simply need to come on to the windows and here you can see effects control, and from here you need to scale the video like this, and if you want you can change the position. So let me scale further. Okay, so once you done that you simply need to select the motion and click on copy and select all the clips in the timeline, and here you need to click on Ctrl V, select all the clips and click on Ctrl V. So now you can see that effect is applied on all the clips. So this is the process how you can scale multiple clips at once in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.